Let me tell you how you can create PowerPoint presentation in less than 2 minutes using AI. First, head over to wepik.com and sign in with your Google account. There, you find AI Presentation Maker. Click there, then click on Get Started. Now, write your topic there and choose the writing tone: fun, creative, casual, professional or forma. Then choose your language and the number of pages. Then, choose your presentation style and click on Generate Presentation. The AI will make the presentation for you with all the information as well as relevant pictures in the presentation. There you go, your presentation is ready. You can also edit the text or add any text, picture, or video, if you want. But there's one catch with this AI: you cannot download it as PPT, but I have a solution for that too. Just download it as PDF and search PDF to PPT on Google, and click on First Website, ilovepdf.com, and upload your PDF there. Now click on Convert to PPT, and download the PPT file. Now you can open this file in Microsoft PowerPoint. And add transitions, or add animations to your presentation. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe for more such amazing videos.